Okay, let's get it out of the box. Oh, that's pretty light. Ah. Yeah, this one's trying to get out. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it was trying to get out. Look at that. This is not packed adequately. Never use air bubbles. That's what happens when you hit something. Never use them for Harley parts. Look at that. Rattle around in that box here. Gas tank in there, flopping all over the place. They half-assed did a good job, then they failed on everything else. They put paper in there would help a lot. Okay, there's the right gas tank. Appears to be the right one. Dropped. Fitting pin up. Got some body work done on it. It's a stretch tank like I need. Because these are stretched when you get up underneath here. I don't want to know what was going on inside. It's full of barnacles in there. That's what's going on inside. Yeah. I don't know what's going on under here though. Things are pretty heavy, as you can tell. Yeah, we don't know what's underneath here. Definitely got Bondo in there. But it might be better than mine. Mine has a problem right here, and it had Bondo too. See? There you go, thin layer. It's got a hole in there now. Yeah, this one here got abused. A little close to the ground there. Appears to be the right length because it's real long, see? Boom, missed the trash. Well, except for all the rust in it, I'm alright with this tank. If it had a little dent in it, I don't really care, but so you can't really see in there. It's definitely rusty in there. But it's better than this. So my option was to take this, cut this out, beat it back to the right shape and weld it back in. That was my option, but this is an easier option here. And I think I found some stickers online. Let's go see if I can find these. So hopefully we can come up with more of these that look just like them, assuming these are stock. I don't know if it's original paint or not on this bike. The tanks look fairly decently painted, so they might be. The fenders definitely not. They look like crap, so I'm assuming they're no good. Alright. I didn't pay much for it, so it might be alright. Good enough for this project.